Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CIS benchmarks for Ubuntu on VDS, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring CIS benchmarks for Ubuntu on a virtual dedicated server, ensure you have administrative access. First, log into your Ubuntu VDS via SSH using a terminal. Update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install the necessary packages for benchmarking and auditing by executing sudo apt install yuuid runtime get curl. Download the latest version of the CIS benchmark script by using git with the command git https://github.com/cis. Unzip the downloaded file using unzip CISCat Pro Edition.zip. Navigate into the CISCat folder with cd CISCat Pro Edition. Before you start, ensure that Java is installed, as it is required to run CISCat. Check this by running Java version. If Java is not installed, install it by executing sudo apt install openjdk11gre. Once Java is confirmed to be installed, you can run the benchmarking script with java jar syscat.jar. Follow any prompts that appear on your terminal. Select the specific benchmark profile you wish to apply by choosing from the on-screen options. Once your selections are made, the script will begin assessing your system against the selected benchmarks. After the scan is complete, review the results and recommendations carefully. Address any critical or high-severity findings as per the CIS benchmarks guidance. For configuration adjustments, refer to the suggested hardening steps provided in the report. To apply the recommended changes, you may need to edit various configuration files or install additional software. Utilize the terminal to make these adjustments, applying commands as necessary for each specific recommendation. Once changes are made, it is prudent to rerun the CISCat script to ensure compliance. Additional tools such as Audit or Linus may also be installed for ongoing compliance checks. Ensure to document all changes made for future reference and audits. Regularly review and update your benchmarks in line with any updated CIS guidelines. This ensures your Ubuntu VDS remains secure and compliant with industry standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.